These are the best summer bags in 2024, so let's go and let's dive in directly in the selection. We are straight going to Louis Vuitton, and I'm going to mention the first one that is a very good summer bag in my sense, in my opinion. This is the on-the-go East-West version. I'm originally not a fan of the East-West trend bags, but this Louis Vuitton bag, like the yellow one, is so gorgeous. I actually like it. And for a beach bag, this would suit perfectly with a little white dress or colorful one. Price for this one in USD is 3,650. This is quite a lot for a smaller bag, but this is still a very good choice. Second one for a summer bag. This is from the new collection Louis Vuitton by the Pool. This is a never full MM, so this is a medium size. This is the empreinte leather. This is a pink aquarelle sunset, they call it. Sunrise, actually. Price for this one is 3,100 USD. Then we do have the on-the-go medium size in raffia. This is a trend that I love. Raffia bags are one of my favorites. I don't have any in my own collection so far yet. I guess one day I will buy one. I love it. I love it. I love it. I don't know why, but it feels so different. They're way more expensive usually than the classic bags in canvas or even in leather. But so this is not a very good investment, but they're still like so trendy and so nice and cool for the summer. So the price for this one in USD is 3,700. As you can see, it's more expensive than the previous Never Full that is in full leather. But this is still a good choice for a summer bag. Then directly going to Chanel, they do have Deauville tote. This is a large one. This one is very cute, actually. It does exist in pink and colors, and they do have it in black and beige raffia. Price for this one is over the roof. This is Chanel, and price is 9,900 USD, almost 10K for a raffia tote bag from Chanel. This is quite insane, but it's still a pretty bag. Oh my god, let's talk about the kings and queens of the summer bags, and I need to mention Celine, of course. They are the best for summer bags, I have to admit. They do have lots of panier, tote bags, and everything. Let's start with the Celine Classic Panier, medium braided triumph. Price for this one is 1,950 USD. So as you can see, for the price of a Chanel, you can have at least like 7-8 Celine summer bags. Saying like this is quite crazy, actually. Then we do have a striped coffin Celine panier bag. This one is 2,450 USD. This is also quite a nice choice. Let me know in the comments which one do you prefer in this selection. I'd be very interesting to know. Then we do have another medium classic panier from Celine. Price for this one is 2,300 USD. I'll try each time to put you a photo here, and I will link everything down below. You will have just to click on it and you will find the product page. Then we do have a teen Celine panier. This is the most classic one, the one we see everywhere. I had to put it on here. They do release it actually in a few different colors, and every year they change it. Price is 1,950 USD. Then we do have the cabas that I like. This is a small tight cabas. This is a panier kind of. Price is 1,800 USD. This is a fabric one here with stripes. They do release it every year in different shape, well, not really shape, but shades, materials, different colors. This is quite a cute one. They do have it in different size. You can have a look on the website depending also on the country. Then let's go to Loewe. So this is actually the first video where I'm mentioning Loewe. I was originally not quite a fan of them. I actually have a store here at Tienda in Paseo de Gracia in Barcelona. I went there. The boutique, the store is just insanely beautiful. I love the architectures. I love the bags. I love the different styles. The quality is here. Prices are lower. This is a very good entry luxury brand. Actually, I really do recommend it. I do not have any bags from them for now yet. I try to calm down, kind of. I try to be more responsible about my buyings, and I've been buying some other things so far, and I will have to let you know so many days something quite interesting. It's a new for something different in our life with Vincent and I. Vincent is my companion, my fiancé. So you know, I'll let you know later. So we do have the small anagram panier tote that is worth 950 USD. They do actually increase a little bit the prices, but of course. Why not? Then we do have the basket bag in palm. Price is 690 USD. They do have tons of basket, panier, tote, as you call it. I will release like the video here of the websites. They do have tons of them, very different colors, shades, shape. I love it. And different prices. They are still quite interesting in terms of price, and I believe it's also why they're so popular. We do have also the medium Louis Vuitton tote. This one is so good. Like I'm really this close to buy one. I do have some other things that I need to care of before buying new bags, but I wish I could. Price is 1,700 USD. If you want to offer me gifts, you know, you have a list here for the summer. You have a list. Then we do have the same bag, but in raffia, same price, 1,700 USD. They are gorgeous. I wish I could buy them all. Clearly, I wish. Then I had to. This is a small elephant basket bag. This is such a cute bag, 1,150 USD. Let me know what you think about this bag. I think I never saw anyone wearing this bag. I wish I would, because this is such a specific bag, and I would definitely wear it, actually. I'm this type of person. I actually have very classic bags in my bag collection, but I also have very limited edition, and I love this type of bags. In my dreams, my bag closet would be filled with some classic, and all the rest would be such like only limited edition bag, crazy colors, crazy shape, only limited. Like I would love it. Then let's go to Dior. I know they are under control like for a crazy story in Europe. I did not mention it earlier because there is still an investigation. We don't really know what's happening. So maybe I will do a video later. Anyway, so I did make a choice for summer bags because they released the Dior Riviera collection that is actually gorgeous. And in terms of artistic direction, this is beautiful. So you do have the mini Dior Riviera Lady Dior. This one is a candy. Like if this is a pink candy, price for this one is 5,500 USD. I just love it. This is a beautiful one. They did release actually in a few different colors. If you like it, let me know because I have a very good essay here in Barcelona. I can give you her contact. I think she can ship worldwide actually. But anyway, she has WhatsApp. If you need anything, she can send you recommendation. She's so great. She's super nice. She can find you actually almost everything. And I know if you're in the US, maybe you don't have everything that's from Europe and vice versa. There are like sometimes different collection bags and everything. Okay, then we do have the Dior Book Tote Miss Dior. The blue one is I fell in love. I actually sold my book tote. I really regret this bag. I will probably make a video of the bags I sold and why and if I regret them or not. But this one, I do regret it. I hope one day I can buy it again. Price for this one is 3,350 USD. Then we do have the Miss Dior flap bag. Price is 3,800 USD. Then we do have, of course, a medium Dior Riviera book tote. Of course, I had to. Various colors. Price is 3,450 USD for this bag. Then we do have a medium Dior Riviera Lady Delight. Price is 5,300 USD. My mom actually bought a Lady Dior from the Dior Riviera collection. I will try to find the photo of the video. She fell in love with it. My dad too, he was with her. She bought it, but my dad was like, oh my God, you need to buy this bag. He's usually the type of husband that says, you have so many things in your wardrobe, you're never wearing them, you're not gonna wear this bag, blah, blah, blah. But this time it was like, oh my God, you should buy this bag. I was like, what? Are you sick or something? So even if my dad was like in love with the bag, she had to buy it. And it was fun because it was her first Lady Dior purchase. So I was actually quite happy about it. Then we have a Dior Riviera small Dior Jolie Bucket bag. Price is 3,450 USD. This is a new bag actually they released. I actually tried it and I love it. This is actually such a fancy bag, very good shape, easy to wear, comfy. Then we have a mini Dior Riviera Lady Dior again, different colors, different materials, 5,200 USD. What do you want me to say? This is gorgeous. I love it. If this is part of my selection of summer bags, it means I love it. Let me know which one you prefer of this collection so far. Then we had the hat basket bag. This one is 5,200 USD. I tried it in store during my shopping vlog. I will link it at the end of this video if you want to watch it. I like this bag. This is not such a practical bag because this is it's not fluffy at all. So it takes space, but wow, beautiful. Then let's talk about Bottega Veneta. I love more and more this brand. They do release very quality bags, quality type of leather. So we will start with the long clutch Andiamo. Price for this one is 2,950 USD. I love it. This is very chic. It reminds me of the Hermès clutch, actually the Kelly pochette, Kelly clutch. This is gorgeous. This is very chic for the summer. They do release it in different materials. Then, of course, I have to mention the sardine bag, sardine with chain. This is one of my favorite bags with the Andiamo tote, actually. Price for this one is 4,900 USD. This is not the first time I'm mentioning this brand and this type of bag. This is known that I love it. I love this kind of bags. I wish one day I could buy it, actually, or I'd love like a very large Jody tote, like the vintage ones they released before. I did actually had two, one in black and one in Bordeaux on my website, because I also sell luxury handbags, pre-loved mostly, on this website here on the screen. And I was this close to keeping them, but in the end, no. But maybe one day. Then we do have the medium solstice bag, 4,100 USD. What do you think about this bag? I'm very curious about it. Then let's go to Fendi with a whole mini bag. Price is 1,590 USD. This is quite cheap for Fendi. So if you like this brand, go for it. And then let's talk about the Peekaboo Mini, of course. Price is 4,900 USD. This is quite expensive, but this is still a very, very good investment in my opinion in terms of useness of the bag. You will use it actually. Investments in terms of price versus selling price, not really. Fendi is not known for this, for now at least. It can change. So I'm gonna link here two videos that you can watch if you want. I'm just gonna be here. One is the shopping vlog in Barcelona for Dior, and another one is, I don't know actually what I'm gonna pin. But yeah, feel free to watch them and subscribe to this YouTube channel if you like it. See you soon for another video. Bisous!